So alam namin na walang trabaho ang House of Representatives pag Friday. And then suddenly, kanina, yun na nga, sinabi niya kung anong nangyari dito na side. Tinawagan niya ako, sabi niya, you need to come because I need a lawyer. So pagdating ko dito, I told them I'm the lawyer. Pumasok ako, and then I read the order. And then while I was reading the first order, another order came in. And then, nakita ko doon sa order nila na parang by unanimous vote, parang ganyan. And then sa akin naman, parang paano kayo nag-meeting? Wala nga kayong trabaho pag Friday. Sobra kahayahay ninyo ng mga tao. Wala sila. Wala silang trabaho. So hinahanap ko, where is this special doon sa order? Where is this special committee meeting that happened? Because they need the permission of the majority leader and the speaker. Kasi nga walang trabaho eh. So kailangan nila ng permission. Walang nakalagay doon. So how is that a legal order? Tapos nakalagay pa sa second order nila, I violated security regulations when I visited. Sabi ko, sinabi ni Secretary Chua, through that lawyer, I think Attorney Agnes, I don't know if I remember the name correctly right now, na yes, she can visit subject to the guidelines of the detention center.